Russia seems to use a digital drawbridge to counter cyberattacks. Online and real conflicts are becoming more and more entwined. In the midst of Russia's invasion of Ukraine, cyberspace is being used for assaults and defense. Officials in Russia have installed a digital fence to keep hackers out, while officials in Ukraine have called on citizens to join the fight against cybercrime, and a hacktivist group claims responsibility for taking down the RT News website in Russia. A distributed denial of service (DDoS) assault was launched against Russian government websites on Thursday, causing them to go black in certain regions of the globe. At this time, it's unknown who was behind or if the assault was effective in taking down the sites in question. Researchers suggest that Russia seems to be using geofencing, a defense mechanism that blocks internet access from outside Russia's zone of influence, complete with a sarcastic wink to the country's internet service providers. According to the record, the week leading up to Russia's invasion of Ukraine, Ukrainian official websites were taken down. The Russian government was blamed by the United States and the United Kingdom for those assaults. This is the second time this year that Ukrainian computer networks have been infected with malware that aims to erase their data. On Thursday morning, the invasion started. An expert on cyber warfare at the Center for Strategic and International Studies, CSIS, tells the record that no one seems to be claiming responsibility for the DDoS assaults. As he put it, DDoS attacks are the most basic kind of cyber attack. It's not that hard. Either Ukrainians or individuals who support Ukraine could have launched them again. DDoS assaults were detected by network monitors throughout the world, including Doug Madory, Director of Network Analysis at Kentic and NetBlocks. Due to geofencing, some overseas visitors seem to be unable to access the targeted Russian government websites, such as mil.ru, which is predominantly a military domain. That implies the website's servers were set up such that visitors from outside the United States would not be able to see the website's content. When trying to visit the website from a prohibited location, users are met with an HTTP error 418 error message instead.